It's on again. It's electricity, power management, and more. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Multi-Skilled Electrician. So if today is your first time of coming onto my channel or watching my video, please kindly subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so you will receive notification for our subsequent videos. Okay, so today I'm talking about an LED light fixture. This an up and down wall light, so meaning it throws up and down. Okay, so when we are done with this video, we will turn it on to for you to see how it looks like when it's on. Okay, so this is an IP44 rated, meaning it's a waterproof lighting fixture, and so this you can use it for outdoor purposes and also indoors if you want to, but it's an IP44 rated, meaning it's a waterproof product or lighting fixture, and you can use it out for outdoor lighting, and you wouldn't have issues. Okay, so what is peculiar about this particular lighting fixture? Okay, so when it comes to LED fixtures, we have a couple of them, but today I'm focusing on this one. This it takes or it uses a GU10 LED bulb. Okay, so here I have these LED bulbs, GU10 LED bulbs from Philips. Okay, and this a 4.7 watts with 380 lumen, and it's equivalent to 50 watts, let's say, fluorescent lamp or CFL or some other lamp. Okay, so it's equivalent to, that's 4.7 watts, it's equivalent to 50 watts, let's say incandescent, halogen, fluorescent, CFL, etc. Okay, so there's a GU10 lighting fixture, meaning it's not fixed. When, let's say, 10, 15, 20 years later, when the bulb is dead, you can easily replace the bulb. You can easily replace the bulb. That is why I recommend, when you are getting LED lighting fixtures, it's very important you choose the right ones that you can easily replace bulbs, or ones that you can easily have something to replace when, let's say, 10, 15, 20 years time, when it's the light is out. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go through the installation process, and also we will turn it on for you to see it. All right, so this the installation. So you put the lighting fixture on the wall or wherever you want to fix it, then you put a spirit level on it. You need to level it up. It should be straight. So you will level it up, you mark it out, then you will drill it. Okay, so you can take it out and drill it. Okay, you'll go ahead and drill. Then after the drilling, we will put in our rubber wall blocks. Okay, so after that drilling, it's time to connect your cables. All right, so if you know the color coding, we have a red here, blue here, and a Airtel ground cable here. Okay, so as it goes, we have, you can see here, there's live there, earthing or ground in the middle, and neutral end on the left side. Okay, so you can go ahead with the connection of the cable. When you're done with the wiring connection, then you go ahead to screw it to the wall. Then you check it again with the level. Okay, so the lighting fixture is fixed onto the wall, and you finally you take the level, or you level it up again, just to make sure it's correct. Is it okay? All right. Okay. Okay, so the next thing is the installation of the bulbs. Okay, go ahead. Is the bulb up there fitted well? Okay. Okay, so it's a GU10 bulb. Okay, then you cover it up nicely. You have the screws with you. Okay. No, you do the down one. Then we will. Okay, so it's nicely fitted onto the wall. The final stage will be to turn it on. Okay, so it's time to turn it on. Charles, let's go. Turn it on. Okay, so you see it's true up. It goes all the way up, down, and up there.